This is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2018 Dodge Ram 1500 Sport. This is a stock number is 28208T. It is black in color. Here's your fog lights. It's got a really good looking grill on the front of it. The hood for you. Does have the 5.7 liter Hemi in it, black in color. Got the turn signals in the mirrors. It's going to be all power. Black interior. It's a closet as well. It's the 8.4 touchscreen. It's got a heated steering wheel, heated seats. All your controls in the wheel, Bluetooth, cruise control. That's for your heated seats right there. And 4-wheel drive options. You do have a cup holder here in the door. Here's your back seat for you. Got a plug in back here if someone wants a phone charger. Your cup holders in the back. Bed is going to come equipped with a Rhino liner material. Does have your backup camera right here. Really nice truck. Really nice truck. Again, this is Cody Smith here at Paul Sherry's in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2018 Ram 1500 Sport. Stock number is 28208T. You can reach us online at www.sherrychrysler.com or give us a call at 937-778-0830. Ask for Cody.